Hey, new bestie. I'm Cece, and I'm here to replace Q on this channel. I had to step in to give this channel some real flava. And no worries, Q is good. I sent him on vacation. Alright, bestie. Grab your coffee, your passport, and your I'm on vacation, don't test me attitude because today I'm walking you through the ultimate cruise embarkation day guide. With all the tips, tricks, sass, and survival wisdom your future relaxed self will thank you for. Let's go. Good morning, sunshine. Today is not just any day. Today is cruise day. The birds are singing, your suitcase is already judging you for overpacking, and your phone is screaming low storage because you're about to take 800 pictures before lunch. First rule of embarkation day is simple. Wake up early and look cute but comfortable. This is not the day for stilettos, tight jeans, or outfits that require emotional support. You'll be standing, walking, dragging bags, and pretending not to judge people who brought 3 steamer trunks for a 3-day cruise. Wear sneakers, stretchy pants, and layers because cruise terminals have the temperature control of a confused raccoon. Before you even leave the house or hotel, triple check your essentials. Passport or birth certificate and ID, cruise documents, boarding pass, phone charger, meds, sunglasses, and your patience. Yes, pack patience. You will need it. Screenshot your boarding pass and confirmation because Wi-Fi will magically disappear the moment you actually need it. Put your documents in a cute but functional folder so you're not that person holding up the line digging through a black hole purse. Now let's talk arrival time. Early arrival is elite behavior. If your cruise gives you a check-in window, respect it like it's brunch reservations. Arriving early usually means shorter lines, faster boarding, and first dibs on lunch. Yes, you heard me. First dibs on food. That's a vacation blessing. Pro tip, if you can't get early boarding, still arrive a little ahead of schedule because traffic, parking, and random chaos love to show up uninvited. Once you arrive at the port, you'll hand off your big luggage to the porters. Tip them. They are hauling your heavy dreams and poor packing decisions so you don't have to. Keep a carry-on bag with everything you'll need for the first few hours because your suitcase might take a scenic tour of the ship before reaching your room. Pack swimsuit, sunscreen, sunglasses, medications, phone charger, travel documents, and maybe a little snack because hangar is real and dangerous. Security screening is basically airport vibes, but with more flip-flops and less stress. Take off what they ask, keep your liquids organized, and smile because you're about to float on the ocean instead of sit in traffic like the rest of the world. After security, you'll check in, get your cruise card, and officially become a floating resort queen. When they announce boarding, this is not the Hunger Games. Do not sprint. Walk with dignity. You have made it. Take that first step onto the ship and pause for your main character moment. Yes, this is the moment where you silently say, I paid for this and I deserve joy. Once on board, go straight to explore. Your room probably won't be ready yet, so don't stand in the hallway staring at a locked door like it owes you money. Head to lunch immediately. The buffet or main dining areas are open and waiting for you to emotionally recover from travel with carbs. Pro tip, the buffet is usually chaos on embarkation day, so walk a little further to the less obvious food spots for shorter lines and better vibes. After eating, start your ship orientation tour. Find the pool deck, spa, gym, main theater, coffee shop, and where the soft-serve ice cream lives, because that's critical information. Take pictures of the daily schedule or download the cruise app so you know what's happening and when. There are usually raffles, drink tastings, trivia games, and welcome parties happening right away, so if free stuff is your love language, stay alert. If you're a pool girly, change into your swimsuit early and claim your lounger like the confident vacation warrior you are. Sunscreen is not optional unless you want to come home looking like a spicy lobster. Hydrate like your glow depends on it because it does. Once your room is ready, go meet your cabin. Do a quick inspection, unpack your essentials, and put valuables in the safe. Plug in your chargers because your phone battery is about to work overtime, capturing every angle of your cruise glow. If something looks off in your room, call guest services immediately because they fix things fast on day one. Now let's talk money moves. Go to guest services or the cruise app and confirm your onboard account, drink package, Wi-Fi plan, and any excursions. This prevents surprise charges that make you clutch your pearls later. If you brought a refillable cup or tumbler, you're officially winning at hydration and convenience. Before sail away, get yourself to an open deck. This is the magical moment. Music, ocean breeze, selfies, waving dramatically to strangers like you're in a movie montage. Order a drink or mocktail, breathe deeply, and let real life melt off your shoulders. You are officially on vacation, darling. Evening time usually means muster drill, dinner, and entertainment. Pay attention during the safety drill so you don't look confused if the alarm ever goes off. Then get cute for dinner, explore the dining options, and don't be afraid to try something new. Calories don't count on cruise ships. That's maritime law in my heart. End your night with a show, live music, comedy, or a moonlight stroll on deck. Take it in. You made it. You survived packing, traffic, lines, and logistics. And now you're floating toward memories, laughter, and probably dessert number 3. Final boss tips for embarkation day. Keep your phone on airplane mode until you buy Wi-Fi to avoid surprise roaming charges. Bring a small power strip if allowed, because cruise cabins love giving you exactly one outlet for all your dreams. Wash your hands constantly because nobody invited the cruise cold to the party. Be kind to staff because they are literal vacation angels. And most importantly, relax. You're not here to stress. You're here to live your best main character life on the open seas. Now go forth, Queen or King of the Ocean, and let the vacation magic begin.